Need a copy of your Viber conversations? In this quick video, we'll show you how to get your Viber chat history in just a few taps. First, open the Viber app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Tap the More button in the bottom right corner, then choose Settings from the menu. Inside Settings, go to Calls and Messages, then look for the option called Email Message History or Export Message History, depending on your version. Tap that option. Viber will prepare your chat history file in the background. This may take a moment if you have many messages. When it's ready, a share screen appears. Choose your email app so Viber can send your chat history as a file attachment. Viber automatically attaches your chat history file to a new email draft. Type the email address where you want to store or view the file. Tap Send. Your Viber chats are now safely backed up in your email, ready to download anytime. Next, open that email on your computer or phone. Find the Viber chat history attachment and download it. Your chat history is usually saved as a text, CSV, or similar file. Open it with a text editor or spreadsheet app to scroll through your conversations. Remember, exported chats are for viewing and backup only. You can't restore them back into Viber as live chats. And that's it. You've quickly exported and saved your Viber chat history. Pause now, follow each step, and keep your conversations safely backed up.